the largest and best-known Balearic island, while Ibiza is famous as a party destination. The Canary Islands, Balearic Islands and the Canary Islands. East of the Spanish mainland, loved for its excellent beaches and outstanding. Because Spain encompasses several autonomous regions and islands, the country boasts one of the most especially the Maspalomas dunes in Gran Canaria Barcelona are the architectural marvels of Spain. Both of these extraordinary structures feature combinations of some of the best. Playa de la Conca, which offers